There's a Cessna there. There's a Cessna out behind my house, so they're doing the same thing. And there's another one down here. I hear it down there. So this dude's just flying at 0.5 mile per hour. Wow, they were audited. That's crazy. Look, one there, and there's one here. So if I was to point them out, it would be like this, like there and there, and this one is farther out. They're going like that. They're flying parallel to each other on a slight diagonal towards James Crystal's house. There's one, and there's the other. Good. It's all bull. Part of the problem is they just do stuff and they're like, that's how it is. It's like, what do you mean that's how it is? It's like, oh, well, here in La La Land where we operate. And there's a third one, like I said, right here. So they're having him fly in a straight line, which would end up being pretty much perpendicular to it. So there's 3 in one film anyways. 1, 2, 3. They also sped up as I was recording this to get away. That last one, especially this one on the right, was getting away. And then here's the third one coming back above them. Oh, see, the same logic. Oh, well, do you see that? One's flying in the opposite direction. I think 2's bad. Here's 10.